Hi there. Today we're learning 20 of the most useful sentences in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Sentence 1, hello. How are you? A simple and friendly way to greet someone. Sentence 2, I'm fine. Thank you. That's a polite answer. Sentence 3, what's your name? Ask this when you meet someone new. Sentence 4, my name is Anna. Say your name with confidence. Sentence 5, where are you from? A great question for small talk. Sentence 6, I'm from Brazil, or wherever you're from. Sentence 7, nice to meet you. Always polite when meeting someone. Sentence 8, can you help me please? A very useful and polite phrase. Sentence 9, of course, that's how you say yes, I can. Sentence 10, I don't understand. Say this when something isn't clear. Sentence 11, can you repeat that please? It's polite and very common. Sentence 12, what time is it? Ask this to know the time. Sentence 13, it's 3 o'clock. Easy and short, just say the number. Sentence 14, thank you very much. Always be polite and thankful. Sentence 15, you're welcome. A perfect reply to thank you. Sentence 16, see you later. A friendly way to say goodbye. 17, how old are you? Use this when you want to know someone's age, but remember, only if it feels polite. 18, I'm 20 years old. Change the number, of course, to your age. 19, what do you do? This means, what's your job or what do you study? 20, I'm a student. Or you can say, I'm a teacher. Or I'm an engineer. And that's it. 20 of the most common and useful sentences in English. Practice them every day, and soon you'll sound natural and confident. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.